Alright, so we're going to construct the angle bisector. So the first thing you want to do is construct your angle. So if you select the ray option, and then, so it really doesn't matter where you place the points B and C. It realistically does not matter. Just as long as you create an angle. So we're going to bisect this angle, meaning we're going to cut it in half. So what you want to do is take the circle with the center and then click at point A, and then you could really create the radius of any size, but again, I wouldn't create it too big, otherwise you're going to go outside the screen. So once you've created that circle, what you're going to do next is you're going to select intersect. So this circle in this line segment, or excuse me, this ray. Select intersect again, select this ray, and then select this circle. So you'll get points E and F. And what you want to do next is go to your compass, select point A, select point E, and then click on E again, and that will place the circle with the center at point E. And again, do the same thing for point F. So again, select point A, select point F, double click on F, and you should get 3 circles of the same size. Now here's the thing, all 3 circles don't have to be the same size. It just, makes it easier. Realistically, it's these 2 circles right here that have to be the same size in order for you to construct your angle bisector. So we're practically almost done. Select the intersect function. So this circle and this circle, you should get point G and point H. And then you're going to go to your ray, select point H and point G. And this line, or this ray, this ray, and it could be a line, it realistically doesn't matter, it could be a line segment, but this ray right here, HG, is going to be your angle bisector.